In this video, we will show you how to design a full anatomical crown. To start your design, you need to open the Dental Designer. You can do that in two ways, either by clicking the Design button at the end of the scanning process, or by clicking the chosen scanned order in the Dental Manager. When Dental Designer opens, it shows the scan of a die. In our case, we use an example of tooth 26. Dental Designer opens in the Direction step and skips the Annotation sub-step because it has already been done during the scanning process. You can go back to that step by clicking it if it's necessary. We start the design process with identifying the margin line. You just need to indicate the edge where the margin line is, and software will find the exact position of the margin line. Indicating the margin line can be done using keyboard or mouse. We choose to use keyboard, and we edit points using arrow buttons on the keyboard. When editing is finished, click Done to obtain the estimate of the insertion direction. If you would like to change it, the adjustment can be done by clicking Optimize. The direction can be also changed by clicking the blue arrows, and in the step box, you can set the angle of direction positioning. You can also rotate the die and press the Set button to redefine the current point of view as the insertion direction. Here, you can find the information on how high your restoration will be. The dark red shading on the die indicates undercuts areas for the given insertion direction. The undercuts above margin line can be measured by selecting Measure Undercuts. Both options can be enabled and disabled in the Difference map box. Having direction sorted out to complete the process and move to Interfaces step, click Next. The margin line step automatically places the red spline, and now you can modify the margin line easily by using a mouse cursor to draw the line, or simply click to move the line on the model. Click Next to move to the Die Interface step, where we create the inside of the crown called Interface. Here in the settings, you can change the restoration material from the drop-down menu, and the undercuts are removed by selecting the Remove Undercuts checkbox. If the crown will be milled, it might be necessary to select Drill Compensation option. Going to Preview visualizes the die interface. Now, click Next to proceed to the Anatomy Design step, where Dental Designer automatically places the crown. Smile Composer allows you to specify the smile library to shape your crown. Click the Thief Library button, or go to the drop-down list to choose the design you want. In our case, we use the Vita T3M Real View Tooth Library. Using design tools, you can do all necessary adjustments to your design. Auto placement of crown, mirroring from scan as well as individual transformation, morphing, and adding occlusal attrition are among those tools. Then, we click Next to go to Sculpt and use Sculpt Toolkit. Sculpt Toolkit allows you to individually modify design using tools like Global Transformation, Morphing, Wax Knife. The Operation and Parameters tool will allow you to set a desired distance to antagonists and neighbors. To be sure that your full anatomical crown works correctly in occlusion and articulation, you can check it in Virtual Articulator. Having your design finished, click Next. You will immediately receive a warning regarding the minimal thickness of the restoration. If it was predefined earlier, in the control panel, just click Yes or Yes to all if you have worked on more than one tooth. Dental Designer will go to the Save step, and then click Close to save your design. We hope our video was helpful. Thank you for watching.